Hey there, fellow gamers and racing enthusiasts. Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews on the latest gaming gear. Today, we've got something exciting lined up for you: the PXN V3II Racing Wheel. A gaming steering wheel that promises to take your racing experience to the next level. So, buckle up and let's dive right in. Alright, folks, let's kick things off by taking a closer look at this sleek and stylish racing wheel from PXN. As you can see, it comes in this eye-catching pink color, but don't worry, it's also available in other colors if pink isn't your vibe. The PXN V3II is a multi-platform gaming steering wheel, compatible with a wide range of gaming consoles and PC systems. Whether you're playing on PS4, PS3, Xbox Series X, Xbox One, or PC, this wheel has got you covered. Now, let's talk about what sets this racing wheel apart. First off, it boasts an ergonomic design with rubber-textured grips for a comfortable and secure hold during those intense gaming sessions. Plus, the large pressure-sensitive pedals provide precise control over acceleration and braking. But what really makes the PXN V3II stand out is its compatibility with a wide range of racing games. Whether you're tearing up the track in Need for Speed, exploring the open roads in Euro Truck Simulator, or causing chaos in GTA, this wheel delivers an immersive and realistic gaming experience. Now, let's talk performance. The PXN V3II features built-in dual vibration motors for added feedback and immersion, while the adjustable sensitivity levels cater to players of all skill levels. Plus, with its plug-and-play functionality and programming options, getting started is a breeze. But hey, don't just take my word for it. Let's hear from some real users who've put the PXN V3II to the test. From beginners to seasoned racers, users are loving the PXN V3II for its performance, durability, and overall value. Well, there you have it, folks, a comprehensive look at the PXN V3II Racing Wheel. With its multi-platform compatibility, ergonomic design, and immersive gaming experience, it's a must-have accessory for any racing enthusiast. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more reviews on the latest gaming gear. Until next time, happy gaming!